This is really cool. Naturized retention ponds and stormwater management. So instead of man-made ones, this naturally gets rid of all their stormwater. Uh, it doesn't say if they're better than, like man-made storm drains or anything, but, are they? I wonder if they are. You think they would be. Maybe, because, plants suck in the water, and then the water goes in the ground, and we'll drink the water, so more water is being used, it's harder to fill up. I don't know. What do you guys think?